Welcome friends. Today's session we are going to work out calculation of F-test. So it comes under parametric test, and in which situation F-test can be carried out. Usually F-test can be carried out to test the equality of two population variances. So if you have two set of data, if you want to check the equality in those things, we used to apply F-test in parametric test. So here I have a problem for you, right? The workers in an organization are paid daily wages. The CEO of the organization is concerned about the variability in wages between males and females in the organization. Below is the data taken from a sample of males and females in that particular company. I have taken nearly 7 data of male as well as a female. So what we are going to find out, is there a difference between male and female workers in the amount of compensation employers pay them per hour? Determine whether these populations are different in employee compensation with the significant levels of 0.05. So this is what the problem we have taken for our F-test calculation. So I am going for data analysis. Before going for a data analysis, I am just reminding you again, if your Excel version doesn't have data menu, so what you have to do, if you couldn't find data menu, go to file. There will be a tab, we call it as an options. You click this, you will get a window, Excel options window. There you have add-ins. You click this and you will get an add-ins window where you will have analysis tool pack. You click this and give OK. That's it. You will get data menu in your Excel version, right? So I'm starting to calculate F-test using data analysis tab. So I'm clicking data menu, data analysis tab. I'm having data analysis window here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform F-test for two sample for variance. So I'm clicking this, going to give OK. I have a window for F-test 2 sample of variance. In input variable 1 range, I am selecting male data, and in variable 2 range, I am selecting female data. As I have included male and female, I am selecting labels. Alpha is 0.05, and now I want the output range in this particular cell. I'm clicking this. Giving OK. That's it. I got the result, right? So I'm doing some modifications for a table format, right? So I've calculated with the help of data analysis tab mean value for male and female. Male is 66.85 and female is 53.71. Variance is 539.80 and for female 61.90. The observation is 7 data, degrees of freedom is 6, and the F value here is 8.72, and the P value one tail is 0.09, and F critical one tail, that is 4.28. This is what we call it as the table value of F-test, right? So this is the F value. So what we are going to do now, we are going to test the hypothesis for this particular problem. Here I have just made the null hypothesis H0. There is no significant difference between the male and female in wages, and in alternative hypothesis H1 there is significant difference between male and female in wages. Now we got the F value as well as the table value. F value is 8.72. Yes. And the F critical one tail, that is the table value, is 4.2. 4.28. So now I am going for a conclusion that here we have the F value is greater than the table value, that is the calculated value is greater than the table value. So what we are doing? We are rejecting the null hypothesis. That means we are accepting alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is there is significant difference between male and female in wages. So I can conclude with the help of F test related to this particular problem, as thought by the CEO of that organization, there is a difference between the wages of male and female in that particular company. So I have proved with the help of a F test, as we had the F calculated value is greater than the table value, right? If the F value is lesser than the table value, automatically we will accept the null hypothesis. That means there is no significant difference between male and female in wages. But whereas in this particular problem and the data which have been taken, we have come to a conclusion that there is a difference in wages between male and female. So that's about F test. In our next session, we will deal Z test, which also comes under parametric test. Friends, please post your queries if you have any difficulties in understanding this particular exercise. Thank you.